Welcome to Yokohama and Yokohama's Chinatown. What better way to start off the morning than with Vietnamese coffee in Chinatown? Anybody home? Look at these tiny little stools. Coffee jiang. Wow, that is strong. That's a strong coffee. It's like viscous. Like you can. It's like thick. Holy moly! This is the best coffee I've had all time. The entire time I've been here. That's like illegal substance levels of caffeine. I have to charge my GoPro right now, so I don't have my full camera out, but I just wanted to show this. I usually don't take my coffee with cream, but I thought maybe I would put some in and then see what happens. This is what it's like with cream in it. It is still pitch black. That is that's good coffee. And then we come out and we have dumplings waiting for us. What are we getting?
Zachi pie. Fried chicken.
Pinchilin.
It's as big as your face.
That's... Yeah. It says bigger than your face.
Okay. Again, we got morning beer.
Pinchilin.
Beer.
Light?
Yeah, it's light.
Yeah.
That's a big chicken piece. That's a big piece of chicken. It's got all the spices on the inside.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wanna try?
Yeah. You want to stick it next to your face? Big face.
Big face? Excuse me?
That is really good. Bun champions. One other part of Yokohama that we're going to now is the Cup Noodle Museum. I think we get to make our own cup of noodle, and yeah, I don't know how that's going to be, but we're going to see. We've arrived at the Cup Noodle Museum. Although I'm a bit surprised that it doesn't actually look like a cup of noodle. It's a big brick building. There's a giant cup noodle over there.
Oh yeah.
Whew. Tickets to build our own cup noodle?
Yeah.
Cool. My Cup Noodle Factory. Gotta purchase a cup?
Yeah.
Do I do two?
Yeah. Oh, no, sold out.
Okay. They're all sold out. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Got our cup noodles.
必ずこちらに今日の日付を書いてください。賞味期限は今日から1ヶ月です。
Me?
So you get to draw your own thing, but I spelt Japan wrong. Honni 2023. Oh well. Cup noodle. Hon 2023. Okay.
Oh. Garlic chip とキムチ。はい。
Now we gotta package them up. We all got our orders. Now we gotta package them up. What is it?
Cup noodle soft cream. Soft serve. これちょっとやるべきです。
Ice cream that looks like a cup of noodles. Definitely gotta try it out. They have original or curry flavored soft cream. We're gonna go with original. That's ice cream. Ooh. It's like a work of art.
Is that shrimp?
It is.
How is it?
It's actually pretty good.
Oh yeah.
It's the salty sweet combo. Here, try it. That's real ingredients. Those are real cup noodle ingredients. Cup noodle ice cream. Wow.
ここに2日間いたら発狂する。
家庭で毎日学習用のレコードを聴かせて音楽的センスを育てる。それによって上達も早い。The most important thing is listening the recording of the music. It makes them get a musical sense, and that's the point of the fast progress.
leaving my brother-in-law's tiny Tokyo apartment today. But before we left, I wanted to show one thing, and that's right up here. Obviously in Tokyo there are a lot of earthquakes, so keeping furniture or shelving attached by using these, like the clamps, helps stabilize stuff so that things don't fall down. You can see it over here too on this little cabinet. There are these clamps that basically just tighten the furniture to the structure so that in the event of an earthquake, everything just doesn't come flying down. It also serves as a way to preserve the apartment because you're not drilling holes or making holes in anything. Just a cool, interesting, different way of putting up furniture in an apartment in Tokyo.